Over 1,800 sold in about a week, and this just debuted. We only have 700 left. This is Sara Happ, the Kiss Kit Lip Scrub and Lip Slip two-piece set. Now, she's been featured in Glamour and Vogue, major magazines. This is so beloved by myself as well, because to me, having dry, cracked lips, well, that is not cute. And if you are suffering from that, this is the game changer, because you get this amazing scrub. It's a sugar scrub. You're gonna feel nice and hydrated after you exfoliate, and you can use it every single day. I never sleep or go out in my day without using it. And then you have this unbelievable Lip Slip Balm. It's the first time we're seeing the strawberry flavor, which I really love. It smells amazing. And this is your one set that you need to have beautiful, healthy lips. Now, the price goes up at end of day, but you're paying $39.98 right now, and it's shipping to you for free, a $679-676. I want to bring in the one and only Sara Happ. Welcome to the show.
Hey, Melissa, how are you? I'm so happy to be with you.
Same. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy you're here because I truly am such a fan of yours. My lips have
so
never felt better, and I think everyone at home needs this in their life. Like, it's a game changer.
That makes my heart so happy. I'm so happy to be bringing this to you from my home here in LA. I miss you here in QVC land. But I'm so happy to be here with you. So thank you. Yes, we have the strawberry lip scrub. It is our strawberry Kiss Kit duo. And I'm a Galentine's girl, and this is my go-to, and I know you are too.
Absolutely. First of all, this strawberry scent, it is a beautiful essence. It's not overpowering. It just makes you happy. I mean, it just puts a smile on your face.
Well, Melissa, I wanted it to smell like a strawberry shortcake doll. Remember when you were little and you would smell its head? I wanted it to smell delicious, like a strawberry shortcake doll, or like strawberry shortcake, the dessert. Just that perfect little sweetness. It's nostalgic. Every girl can kind of relate to the flavor of it. So from the youngest of the young, I have an 11-year-old who's sleeping in the other room, to the wisest of the wise. We hope that everyone just loves this as much as I do. And yes, this is your step one. We are formulating this. I can hear my producer in my ear. This is so fun. So this is our lip scrub. And Melissa, I get asked all the time, why would I scrub my lips? We scrub our lips because your lips need to be exfoliated every single day. Every single day. So we are scrubbing. If we had smell-o-vision right now, you could smell the strawberries and the grapeseed oil, the jojoba oil. Sugar crystals are going to exfoliate your lips and sink into your skin, removing all that dead skin and giving you the baby smooth lips you deserve. There's my Sara. Hi, Sara. I miss you. Hi, honey. Hi. So Sara is scrubbing her lips right now, and you can see her lips are so beautiful. Oh, I wish I could reach through the screen and squeeze you. So that's my Sara, and her lips are beautiful. But what she just did is she scrubbed, Melissa. She scrubbed those lips. She's doing nothing but wiping away with a tissue right now. And look at this vibrant, gorgeous color. I have seen her do this, I don't even know how many times since 2017. And it gives me chills every time. Look at those lips.
That's amazing.
Those are scrubbed lips. Yes.
That is just scrubbed. And now your lips look like, again, like you said, the true color, right? It brings life back, but they look hydrated. When you think of the word exfoliate, I think people freak out because they go, oh, is it gonna dry me out? And a lot of these products really are created to dry you out, but you did the complete opposite by putting these good for you ingredients.
Thank you so much. That is exactly what we did. So Sara Ann just put the lip slip on. This is our hero girl. She is our hero. She is a lip gloss unlike any other. So you're right, Melissa. The dirty little secret in the lip industry is that people make lip products that do dehydrate your lips. We don't want you to be addicted to your lip balm. We want you to be obsessed. So Sara has nothing but scrubbed lips and the lip slip on top. And you are topping off your gorgeous fuchsia. I'm a fuchsia girl, you can tell by my shirt. You are topping off your gorgeous fuchsia with the slip gloss. We removed all those dehydrating ingredients that are in most lip products, and we infused them with oils and polymers
Yeah.
and good fat for your skin that your
Yeah.
lips just drink in.
Well,
There's my Stacy.
hi,
Hi,
Stacey. So
Stacy. I miss you. Again, I want to just crawl through the screen and squeeze these girls.
I know
Okay,
they're
so
amazing. Sarah, I hate to interrupt you, but we sold
yeah.
over 1,800 in about a week. We have
Yes.
640 remaining. So I just want to tell everybody at
Okay.
home, this is definitely a moment to run to your phone, 800-345-1515, tap our app, go to QVC.com, get this for yourself for $39.98 because you're getting the lip
Oh my
scrub
gosh.
and the lip slip. So it's a two-piece set, ships for free.
Yes.
We have free shipping across the board, $13.33. For something that you can use
Oh,
every day, day and night, you're using the lip slip throughout the day. I mean, this is a
yes.
really, it's a great way to get a bang for your buck when it comes to lip care.
It is, and that's it. That's it. You use it every single
Gorgeous.
day. So Stacey's lips on the left have not been scrubbed. That's
Nope.
just her beautiful lips. On the right, those are Stacey's lips scrubbed with our strawberry lip scrub. And this only exists in this kit here at QVC. The strawberry lip scrub you can't get anywhere else. And yes, you should 1,000% use it every single day and lip slip every single day. And I can promise you one thing: no chapped lips. Okay, so
We
we
won't.
did a 21-day challenge, and the results with this is a blind study. We don't know these people, these are strangers. 98% agreed that their lips felt like a perfect canvas for lipstick or for really anything else you'd put on afterwards. After scrubbing, 100% of people agreed that their lips felt younger and looked younger. 90% agreed that it enhances their natural lip color. And that's what we're going for. I can promise you nothing, but I can promise you no chapped lips. So exfoliate every single day, every single day. Put it by your toothbrush. Put it
Yeah.
by your toothbrush and do it at the same time that you brush your teeth. This kit is limited. When it's gone, it's gone. And we didn't make money like you just said.
Yeah.
So
I'm
scrub first and
scrub
then
first.
lip slip right after.
I do not go to sleep or go about my day without scrubbing my lips. It is such a game changer, especially this time of year when it's so
Oh,
dry. I mean, if you want your lips to look
yes,
youthful, soft, it'll look like you almost
yes.
had your lips plumped because you don't have all that dead skin. So this is a great way to take care of your lips for $39.98. We now sold 2,000 of these in a week. We have 550
Oh
remaining,
my gosh.
a 679-676. Please, please tap our app, go to QVC.com, pick this up. It's a great Galentine's or Valentine's gift. Thank you
It
so much,
is our
Sarah.
teachers. Give them to
Yes,
your teachers. We love our teachers. Give them to, yes,
I
from
love
the
it.
youngest of the young to the wisest of the wise. Thank you for having me, Melissa.
Oh
I
my
can't wait to
gosh,
see
of
you in
course.
person.
Same to you. Be well. And by the way, that box is
You too.
amazing. I love anything with lips on it.
Cutest.
So that is a really cute box. All right, still to
Cutest.
come.
Kisses to everyone.
Bye, honey. We have this Pop Sonic Soul Smoother. So if you want the most soft,